We're going to install the Kustom Console app to this tablet. First, we're going to go to the File Manager and locate the APK file that we've copied onto the device. I believe I put it in the Android file folder here. Okay, select it. We're going to put the user APK file on this device. When it prompts you to allow the installation of this application, select yes. And once that's complete, you can open the application. Now the tablet's probably going to ask you to allow access to the device. Allow the Kustom Console to access photos, media files on your device. Select yes. You're going to want to be able to have access to it for the traffic statistics that we're going to show you later. And it's also going to ask you about the device's location. Select allow. And the application is installed. As it's opening, it's going to connect to Wi-Fi and download the latest techniques from the cloud. Okay, once that's complete, we're going to add a device. Since it's a new installation, there's no devices present, so we're going to add a device. We have the display turned on, and we're going to look for the Bluetooth. This is going to scan, it's going to find any Bluetooth devices that might be present. So for example, it's picking up somebody's tile on their car keys, it's picking up my Fitbit charge, but we're looking for this serial number, 146810001. We're going to select that, and it's going to discover this display. It's going to discover this device. Okay, the device has been discovered, parameters have been fetched, the icons have been downloaded from the cloud, and the layout is finished. So now we're going to go to My Devices, and this sign is now available. So we're going to open this device, and it's now connecting to the display. Now the user version has 4 simple icons. It has radar, has information, statistics, and the scheduler. Okay. Right now we've got this display set up for a 35 mile per hour zone. The first speed threshold is a blank display shown here. If we wanted to change that, you can go to display and choose any of the display options available. We're going to select the blank display, and that's going to be displayed up to 10 miles per hour. Then at 10 miles per hour, we're going to have radar feedback. It's just your speed, radar feedback. Since this is a 35 mile per hour zone, we're going to set the next threshold, threshold 2, to 36 miles per hour. And we're going to change the display to flashing. Okay, flashing your speed. By the way, you can control how fast the blink rate is by selecting the blinking period here. Okay. Right now we've got it at a slow blink, but if you wanted to speed it up a little bit, you could. Okay. Next, we're going to set the threshold speed for the red, blue, violet alerts. Okay. We're going to select red, blues, and we're going to set the threshold speed to 44 miles per hour. Hit return. We also have a white strobe LED. We're going to set the display at 50 for that. And this just represents a white strobe or a photo radar flash. And then the final display is the high-speed blinking. In this case, we actually are going to choose the flashing segments, which flash the center segments of the LED display. I'm going to set those at 65 miles per hour. And again, you could either blank the display, or I'm going to set these dashes, and we're going to flash them. Okay. So now we've selected all of our threshold speeds. We're going to write to the device. Okay. Now our display is set.